Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you're gone. He fell softly from the clouds on the silent cross as I wander on. Out of God's way, like umbrellas came to push me. Precious people, as they passed me, well looked through me, no one knew me. Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where to go. It fell softly on the clouds, on the silent cross, as I wander on. Out of those way, like umbrellas came to push me. Precious people, as they passed were looking through me, no one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up of the skies, drinking in the rain. But your image, it was there, floating in the air, brighter than a flame. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows, without pity, and I heard the whistle rain whisper in your name, whisper in your name.